Welcome to HueLike vlog. Today I'll talk about making notes for exams. Whether you are studying for a final or a midterm, taking notes is an essential part of preparing for the exams. In this video, I'll share some tips on how to make effective notes that can help you ace your exams. Notes making can mean different things for different students. They are unique to the one making the notes. Notes making cannot follow some standard pattern because the ability of each student is different for different subjects at different points of time. Making notes is a personal process, and my notes won't work for you and your notes won't work for me. I study from the NCERT book and mostly I make notes in the margin. But some topics in some subjects can be complicated and require making notes. Reading such complicated topics from the book or studying such chapters that have too much data directly from the book is not efficient. For example, geography has too much data to be read directly from the book. At times, the information is presented in a complicated manner. In such a situation, I prefer to make notes. My geography notes may look long, but when it comes to revision, it takes much less time. In this, I can create links between different data and also have the flowchart for longer elements and show the commonality and differences between different information elements. Let's remember why we make notes. Firstly, to present the information in an easy to understand format. Secondly, to be able to do quick revision. Make notes of subjects or topics that you need. It's your choice how you decide to make notes.
Thanks for watching. For more such awesome content, please subscribe, like and share.